Here is a how-to video on creating a central form to create a case for Microsoft Teams and how to create a private DM between the agent and the case creator. Starting in Teams, we navigate to the Centro app and click on the Home tab. Here we can configure our Centro forms. Centro forms allow you to create or edit objects directly from Salesforce. In this case, we have a very simple Centro form with only 2 fields. You can either have the Centro form use a default automation user or connect as the user in Teams. This will honor all of their permissions in Salesforce. The Centro form has a name, a label, and some additional help text to make it easy for the end user to create. You have a section for displayed fields and hidden fields. You can default in names and settings in the hidden field section. To add a field, click on the drop-down and select the field in which you want to add. Then click the plus sign and determine whether you want it in the displayed or hidden section. When editing, click the Edit pencil, and if you want to remove, select the trash can. When completed, click Save. Then navigate to Workflow Setup, where you can connect your Centro form to the Microsoft Teams automation. Here you can choose the form that you created, as well as send a platform event if interested to add additional complexity to your business process. Once you've done this, your Centro form will display as a shortcut in DMs, multi-person chats, and team channels. On the Salesforce side, we have a simple record-triggered flow based on the case object that fires on Create, where the origin is Teams. We run this as an asynchronous path, so that way we can ensure the call out to Teams is successful. Next, we set a handful of variables. The team members that are added to that channel is a collection variable set as text. Using the add operator, I can either hard code the GUID from Microsoft Teams, or I can populate it from the fields within Salesforce. When using Centro, we ship with a field that stores the GUID on the user record. So if I navigate to the user and go to this ID field, it will populate. Next, using the create conversation and invite users, I can use a formula name to create a name for my private DM. Additionally, I use my collection variable to add users to that channel. Finally, in advanced options, I have several outputs I can use. In this case, I'm just capturing the channel GUID ID to use to post the record block of the case. In this post record block to chat flow element, I'm using the variable selection and setting the variable channel here. I'm adding some message text and populating the case record ID here and linking it to the channel. Those are a few steps on how to create a case from Microsoft Teams and start a private DM with the user. Please reach out with any questions.